Deep in the heart of the rainforest, an army awakens. Each one moves with purpose, scouts, workers, soldiers, perfectly in sync. This creature carries 50 times its own weight, driven by instinct and unity. They build bridges of life, each body a link, each step a promise. Even the storm cannot stop them. They move as one, beneath the forest's heartbeat. Below the surface lies a living city, tunnels, nurseries, and chambers of order. Here, the future is cared for by thousands of unseen hands. Guardians defend the nest, ready to fight 1,000 times their size. Without hesitation, strength isn't measured in muscle, it's measured in unity. Within moments, order returns. The colony never rests. At the heart of it all, the queen silent, yet her presence commands an empire. From the shadows below to the canopy above, their story threads to every leaf and drop of rain. In this endless green world, the tiniest builders remind us greatness is not in size, but in purpose.